In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Reggae Rock in Suno AI step by step. To get started, open Suno and log into your account. Once you're inside, head over to the Create page and begin a new music project. This is the main workspace where you'll shape the sound of your song, so make sure you're starting fresh and ready to dial in the style clearly. Next, switch to Custom Mode. This part is important because Custom Mode gives you more control over the result. Instead of leaving things broad or vague, you can be much more specific about the genre, the mood, the vocal style, and the instrumentation. That extra detail usually leads to a track that feels much closer to the sound you actually want. Now describe the reggae rock style in your prompt. Reggae rock blends the relaxed groove of reggae with the punch and energy of rock music, so you want your wording to reflect both sides. A solid example would be reggae rock song with offbeat reggae guitar rhythms, powerful rock drums, electric guitar riffs, deep bass, catchy melodies, laid-back verses, energetic chorus, and professional production. The key here is balance. You want Suno to understand that this is not purely reggae and not purely rock. After that, choose the mood for the track. You can go for something laid-back and positive, a summer road trip vibe, uplifting and energetic, surf-inspired, or even something with a stronger, alternative rock influence. For example, you might use a prompt like uplifting reggae rock anthem with sunny vibes, powerful chorus, and feel-good energy. The mood helps guide the emotional direction of the song, so pick the one that best matches the experience you want listeners to have. Then decide whether you want vocals or an instrumental. If you want a full song, you can specify something like male rock vocals with reggae-inspired melodies and a catchy sing-along chorus. If you only want a backing track or beat, simply say instrumental only, no vocals. Being direct here helps avoid unnecessary revisions later. Next, add instrument details. Include elements like reggae guitar skanks, electric guitar riffs, live drums, bass guitar, percussion, and rock-inspired choruses. A useful example is offbeat reggae guitar, driving rock drums, warm bass guitar, energetic electric guitar leads, live band feel. These details help Suno create a richer and more convincing arrangement. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Listen through the version Suno creates and save the strongest result. If the track isn't quite right, refine the prompt by asking for more reggae groove, more rock energy, stronger guitar riffs, heavier drums, or softer vocals. When you've got a version you like, use the extend feature to add verses, build a bridge, create a guitar solo section, or lengthen the outro. Finally, save your preferred version, download the audio, and import it into your DAW if you want to do any extra editing.